PharmaVentures, experts in deals and alliances.
Welcome to PharmaVentures Insights at Biotech and Money 2016 in London. Today we have with us Göran Forsberg, CEO of Cantargia. Welcome, Göran.
Thank you so much. Pleasure to be here.
Tell me about Cantargia.
Well, Cantargia is an immuno-oncology company. We have antibodies against the receptor called IL-1RAP, and they have very exciting preclinical results. We are now taking them into clinical trials, just starting first half next year, and then we have a plan forward for the next couple of years.
What sort of indications are you mainly working on? Because the receptor is quite ubiquitous, yes?
Absolutely, it's been found in a large number of cancer forms, and we are focusing on pancreatic cancer and non-small cell lung cancer. And once we have done our initial trial, we will also do a trial in leukemia.
What was the basis behind choosing those two different types to start with?
Well, first of all, it's a combination of factors. So first of all, the receptor is overexpressed in these tumor forms to a high degree. We also know that the underlying biology gives a very strong support for non-small cell lung cancer and pancreatic cancer. And finally, there is a big medical need in those indications, which of course argues for going in that direction.
So from these preclinical trials, how long have they been in the preclinical trials for?
So the company was founded in 2010, and at that point in time it was based on a discovery in the University of Lund. And the first couple of years were more some kind of drip feeding to just advance the project to a certain degree and test if it was feasible. And during 2013, Cantargia had developed some very promising antibodies with quite small resources, which was very good. And at that point in time, the board and the owners decided that we had to go more serious. And in 2014, I was employed as CEO to take the company public. We did the IPO in 2015, and we are still building the company.
And what's the plan with their clinical trials? Are they coming anytime soon? And if so, where will they be held? And will you have partners?
Well, of course there will be CROs and things like that involved, but we intend to finance the clinical trials ourselves in the beginning. The trials will most likely be held in Western Europe. We are discussing with a number of sites where the trials can be performed, so we have not made the final decisions yet around that, but there is lots of interest to help out in those trials. That's good. The plan is to, of course, you need to start with dose escalation. It's going to take up to a year to just define the safe doses, and then in mid-2018 we would expand into a more serious phase where we hope to see some clinical effects.
So what's your plan for the future of Cantargia?
So we are in the process of raising some additional cash right now. The exact details are still to be communicated. That's the immediate goal. The next goal is to get the clinical trials up and running, and then, as I explained, it's a sequential process here to get the phase 1 part ready and then the phase 2 part. So it will keep us busy for a few years, and then the goal is to at least make sure that you have given your drug the best chances of generating good results.
Well, thank you very much for your time.
Well, thank you so much.
And I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's nice being here.
PharmaVentures, experts in deals and alliances.